Hi. As we had seen in our last video, the Bluetooth controlled XY stage was basically working. However, we found out a couple of faults in the stage motion. The first one was that the motion of the stage was not in tandem or equal to the value we had inserted in the app. The inputs in the app are in the units of centimeters, whereas the stage moved in a proportion to that, but it was actually a much smaller value. We have now fixed that by modifying the code in the microcontroller. The second issue was that the stage would, when we want one point after the other, it would go to the first point, come back to 0, and then go to the next, which wastes a lot of time. Right now we have fixed that, and we have a continuous motion. So right now I'm going to show a demonstration of the XY stage. At the speed level of 2, I'm going to move the X stage from 0 to 8. Right now it's at 0. The wood is at position 0. The distance between the wood and position 0 is 0. I have set the required value to be 8 centimeters. As you can see, the distance traveled is almost 8 centimeters.
Reverse it back to 0.
I'm going to make it back to 3.
Okay, 3.
As you can see, it is 3. And let's say I want to make it 5. It's finally 5. And I'll press the reset button and send it back to 0. As you can see, the XY stage is working. And
Now
yeah.
we can.
Now we'll look into the motion of this motor, which is pretty much the same as this motor. So I'm reinserting this here.
Okay.
So let's follow the same sequence, which is 8. Eight centimeters, then back to 3. Let's make a small change. Let's make it probably 15 centimeters.
Maybe give it longer one.
And
show the tape. Show 15.
so it's approximately 15 centimeters. Yeah, it's almost exactly.
Yeah, 1 second.
It's 15 centimeters.
Yeah, it's 15.
Yeah.
Okay, now bring it
And
back to
finally,
0.
I'll bring it back to 0. As you can see, the XY stage is working as it is required. Right now we are just using one stepper motor driver. It's a micro step driver. This is why we can only control one set of wires at the same at one time. If we are able to use 2 of them, we'll be able to control both the stepper motors at the same time, and that is completely possible as of the present setup. As you can see, we have one direction pin and one step pin which is coming from the microcontroller. We just have to scale this up and have 2 direction pins and 2 step pins or pulse pins in order to control 2 sets of microstep drivers. Thank you.
Give it one last. Give it some 10. Just randomly. Just give 10.
So
This is we'll show it at us 10. scale also. So the Bluetooth control, we have achieved our objective of having an XY stage with a Bluetooth control. Thank you.